Hi guys, welcome to Science Night. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our experiment pretty soon, but let's talk about your supplies first. In your fancy bag, go ahead and take out your plastic bag. I know we talked about a lot of this in class, but just a quick review of what's in here. You are gonna have some vinegar. Don't open that till we're ready for it. You are going to have your boat. Some baking powder in a cap. A straw. And you're gonna have a roll of tape. I've already cut my tape. So what you need, as you can see here, I don't have much. You're gonna need some water and something to hold that water in. And you want the water to be deep enough so that when you end up putting your boat on it, it's not actually touching the bottom and it's floating. Okay, it can be anything you need. It could be a bathtub, it could be a sink full of water, just so that you have some standing water for our boat. Okay, if you wanna go ahead and pause now, make sure you have everything you need. Grab some water and some scissors. Other than that, you'll be ready to go. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our straw, cut it into about 3 pieces. Try as best as you can to get 2 of your pieces pretty close to the same length. Next, we're gonna take our boat and our bottle cap. And we're gonna tape our bottle cap to our boat. You don't wanna go at the very back of the boat, and you don't wanna go at the very front of the boat either. You wanna go more towards the middle and a little bit towards the back, right about where mine is.
Mommy.
We're gonna tape this down. You can wrap it underneath so you can make sure that it stays. And be careful that you don't get your tape wet or it's not gonna stick very well. Remember, as we're doing this, you can pause whenever you need to. Okay. Once you have your bottle cap on your boat, you're gonna take your 2 straws and you're gonna tape them together. Probably not as far down as I did because you want to be able to put something in them. So leave a little space, more like here. Okay. Next, you're gonna take your baking soda, sorry, and you're gonna pour into your cap. You don't need all of this. Remember, we talked about in class, this is enough for you to do this 2 or 3 times. You're just gonna pour some in there. Okay. And then you're gonna take your straws and you're gonna put your straws right into the cap. Your boat is now officially put together. Okay, so what comes next is you're gonna set your boat on top of the water. It will float. We're gonna put our vinegar, and you all know what happens. You had some great ideas of what was gonna happen with these in class when we talked about it. In. You can use the straws or the bottle cap to pour, whichever is easier. And you're gonna notice, it might take a little bit more vinegar. You want that reaction to keep coming. The boat is going to slowly swim across the water. I can hear the reaction. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can try this a few different times. You may even want to try a different kind of boat. I will see you back in Zoom and we will talk about this together.